excuse me. She said, time to go. No, there's a floor and we can take it back. She says, time to go. No! Please come the floor. Okay, it's time to go. Get the floor. Sister, get it. Sister, dry. There's a board. Sister, dry. There's a board. Sister, dry. She's board. Mommy, dry. Mommy, there's a board.
Oh, what's that mean?
That means take it back.
Oh, okay.
No, that means time to go.
Time to go.
Time to go. Time back to go. Sister, drive.
Did you guys make a car? Is that a car?
Yes, that's not a car.
What is it?
That's a box. That's a box.
Okay, well, we need to clean up your toys and then let's go take a bath, okay?
Okay.